Conditioners, treatments, and hair packs may sound like they are all the same, but in fact, they are quite different. Just like skincare, so you can get the best result. Which one should I use? Dun, 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 dun. Hikoco! Hi beauties, welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Winter, the dry season of the year, is coming soon in New Zealand, which not only makes my skin dry, but my hair as well. I believe our beauties who care for their hair are already looking for special hair treatments to combat the dryness. With so many hair care products available like conditioner, treatments, and hair pack, it can be confusing to know what each of them are for and when and how to use them too. So in today's video, I will explain what conditioner, treatments, and hair packs are and when and how to use them to get the best result. Let's get started! You might be surprised to know that treatments and conditioners are actually two different hair care products that each serve quite different purpose. To easily put it, I would say the conditioner is for the exterior of the hair and the treatments and hair pack are to heal hair from within. Shall we take a closer look into these three different hair products? Let's start with the conditioner. The main purpose of the conditioner is to make the hair feel soft and shiny. Conditioner helps to prevent hair from tangling, which not only helps to make everyday combing easier, but also prevent hair breakage. Conditioner's main ingredients are made up of essential oil and moisturizing ingredients. These contain a lot of fatty acid, which creates a solid barrier, like a temporary coating for the hair. This is vital to help lock in moisture and prevent it from escaping. Conditioner also helps to reduce friction between the hair strands, minimizing static electricity and preventing frizz. When to use? There is a reason why conditioner is the best used after shampooing. Healthy hair typically has a slightly acidic pH range of 4.5 to 5.5, but shampoo has a pH range of around 6.0 to 8.0. So, a conditioner helps to neutralize the hair's pH level after shampooing, making the hair go back to the healthy condition. By maintaining the optimal pH balance for the hair, it not only makes your hair healthier, but more manageable too. One of my favorite conditioner from Hikoco is Mise Perfect Original Serum Conditioner. They have recently upgraded their formula and the packaging and are newly stocked in Hikoco. I love the scent so much. It has a fruity floral scent that is not too overwhelming and the scent actually lasts for a long time. This Mise conditioner actually contains 7 natural derived oil that moisture and smoothen your hair after shampooing, so hair will look sleek. Let's move on to the treatment. When you see hair products with the word treatment, you know that it's to provide nutrition and strengthen your hair. Just like how we care of ourselves with inner beauty products. It is used to heal and prevent damages caused by chemical treatments, such as perming, coloring, and bleaching. More nutrition from essential oils and proteins penetrate into the hair strand, temporarily fill and nourish the damaged structure of the hair, and contribute to maintaining healthy and glossy hair. When to use? Used after shampooing and can be used for replace your conditioner step. It's best applied to the hair and leave it on for a certain period of time before rinsing off. By leaving it in the hair, it allows the treatment to penetrate deeply into each hair strand and it provides intensive care to hair. The duration of the time may vary depending on the product and the desired result. Here is my day-to-day hair treatment product, which is the Hair Loss Expert Care Treatment Root Strength. As I always concerned about losing hair, I have been using this treatment for a long time. Deo is known for their ginseng X complex. This complex combines Korean ginseng extract, which increases blood circulation to the scalp and hair follicles along with the caffeine. Not only does this nourish and strengthen the hair, but has many antioxidant nutrients to prevent hair loss and increase hair growth. It has quite a thick and creamy formula, which is much better for fast yet deep absorption into the hair. And for this product, you can just leave it about 2 to 3 minutes and you can experience the effective result. And let's move on to the hair packs. Hair packs work similar to treatments, but it contains a much higher concentrations of nutrients that are designed to be used every now and then, must for the damaged hair. Because of the intensity of nourishment and hydration, hair packs do a better job at extremely damaged hair. When to use? Hair packs are actually used in between shampooing and conditioning. Here is the reason. As the conditioner has many fatty acids to create a moisture barrier, it locks everything inside. So, using a nutrient-filled hair pack first, then use the conditioner to ensure all the nutrients are locked in. It's important to choose a hair product that is appropriate for your hair type and condition. I wouldn't recommend using it every single day because it will over-moisturizing and your hair look very oily. Too Cool for School Egg Remedy Hair Pack is my lifesaver. You can actually see the results instantly. It helps to moisturize and recover my damaged hair after coloring. I use 1 to 2 times a week whenever I see split ends or dry, frizzy hair or right after hair dyeing. It may sound a bit weird to find egg yolk extract in the hair pack, but the protein from egg yolk gives an amazing effect with a rich amount of nutrition that is super beneficial for damaged hair. Egg yolk contains vitamin A, E, and biotin, which are all known to heal and strengthen the hair breakage. On the top, there is no egg scent, so it's recommended even for those who are sensitive to scent. You will also find botanical oils too. These fatty acids are super moisturizing to seal all the nutrition for softer feeling hair. So we've looked into these 3 different kinds of special hair treatments. Then, which hair product is best for me? If you have a normal hair type where your hair isn't frizzy, dry, I recommend just using shampoo and conditioner. Damaged hair often comes with split ends, dry, or in contact with heat tools. So this is when you might want to look into using a shampoo and treatments for your hair. Extremely damaged hair experiences a lot of breakage from constant heat or dyeing or even bleaching of the hair. That's when I would recommend shampoo incorporating a hair pack a few times a week. And don't forget to use a conditioner after. So we have looked into the differences between the conditioner, treatment, and hair pack. Seems overwhelming to have these 3 kinds of special hair treatments, right? You need to select the right products depends on your hair type and what you are personally looking for. I hope that this video was super helpful on how to identify these 3 different categories from hair products and how to use and what's the best for your hair type. If you like today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!